finally here, baby. Slots. There we go. Welcome, and on this channel I do technology and fitness. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Insta360 Go 2, and at the end of the video I'll give a few reasons why I bought this camera and a few reasons why you shouldn't buy the camera. So this Insta360 Go 2 64 gigabytes came all the way from China. See those Chinese writing? I guess it's Chinese made. Let's take this plastic off. See my favorite pen? Look what happened here. Voila! Let's cut this open. Baby, look at that. Lens protector. So this camera came out a year ago and I waited because 32 gigs is not enough, and thank goodness 64 came out. That's a bad thing about technology. You have to wait sometimes because there's a room of improvement. You're probably saying, what does action camera have to do with fitness? Guys, if you're into fitness, you need an action camera. I'm not saying buy this one. There's lots of them out there. It's linked to fitness. It's a technology and it's linked to fitness. You want to keep footage of your activities, your progress of your fitness. You want to share it on TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform. You want to share it to your family. Motivate people that you're into fitness. Let's see what's written on the box. Insta360 Go 2. It's a tiny mighty action cam. Flow state stabilization. Hand free. Mount anywhere. 1440p. 50 frames per second. Waterproof. Auto editing. Hyperlapse. Slow motion. Remote control. Wi-Fi preview. This is what's in the box. Insta360 Go 2. Our charge case, charge cable, magnet pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, quick start guide, multi-purpose case, 64 gigs, baby. I just like to rub it in for all those people who bought 32 gigs. That's really tiny. Ooh. This is the camera. Whoa! That's really powerful. There's no way this could fall off. I don't think so. This is really strong. Whoa, that's amazing. So this is the lens guard. one of those cloth to clean your lens. Oh, there's 3 of them. There's one that's already on the camera. This is an unboxing, and what's in the box? 2 lens guard, plus there's one on the camera, a charging case and carrying case, clip mount for your cap, charging cable, pivot sticky stand, cloth to clean your lens and the camera, and your magnet pendant. Want to show you guys a quick look at the website here. Instance360 Go 2, 32 gigs, $359.99. That's US dollar. And if you want to go 64 gigs, $389.99. And you have custom skin, $10. This is pretty neat. So you don't have to buy a white one. You could just buy custom skin, a yellow, for $10. When I ordered mine, they had a limited edition of the Minions. I don't see it anymore. So here's my few reasons why I bought the camera. Other people might have different reason. For me, number 1, so tiny. This is really small. Put it in my hand. Can't see it. The magnet back, that's a great idea. So you don't need tripod. A magnet pendant. Put it in your shirt. Always remember this dotted line facing outwards. Voila! Not an amazing idea. This carrying case could work as a tripod. Yeah, my hands are not level. Also, work as a charging station. Put it here. An Instance360 Go 2 will charge. So the carrying case have 120 minutes of battery life, and the camera have 30 minutes of battery life. Awesome stabilization, horizon lock feature. I'm sure there's lots of video on YouTube about those features already. Hundreds of videos. One of the best feature is if you record in pro video mode, and then you could export it to your software and edit it in 9:16 or 16:9. Upload it to TikTok, YouTube. I'm sure there's more features that I liked. I didn't discover it as yet. Still have to play around with it. Just unbox it. What I don't like, it's not 4K. Don't like that. No SD card slot. Don't like that. No changeable batteries. Don't like that. No screen for if you want to vlog. There's no screen on that. Don't like that. And the microphone. There's only one microphone here. I think there's 2 more on the case. So that's a few reasons why I bought the camera. But you guys might have different reasons why you're going to buy the camera. Why not to buy it. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below to support the channel. Until then, see you in the next video.